The soldiers of Ukraine's 22nd Mechanical Brigade pose proudly in front of their conquest. It is one of Putin's secret weapons, a turtle tank. The video footage of the big coup is currently going viral online. The footage shows how the Russian tank is first attacked by a Ukrainian drone with a grenade. Then a brave Ukrainian storms up to the tank, enabling the troops to capture the enemy. The tank is hit, but still intact. The brigade gets it moving again. This is a huge success for the Ukrainian troops. Putin's turtle tanks have been causing fear and terror for weeks with shocking videos.
The audio soundtrack for this video was created with the help of artificial intelligence.